All right, today I'm gonna do a couple things to this wheeler. Starters, took the front tires off because I'm going to bleed the brakes, at least bleed the front brakes. So when I started looking at it, I couldn't see a bleeder valve on this side, but I found one right away on this side. Let's see, where are we? It's right here. You can see it. It's my fingertip. Comes the brake line. Brake line comes in, and there's the bleeder valve. So I'll pull pressure on the brake lever, crack that, get some fluid come out, put a drain pan underneath here, and then seal it up again. Do the process back and forth, squeeze it, release it, tighten it, let it go. Squeeze it, release it, tighten it, let it go until it gets pressure up on this side. Since there's not a bleeder valve on the other side, I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do, but see, it's just a brake line coming down. There's no bleeder valve anywhere. There's a piston of some sort down here. But yeah, I don't see anything. And then when I'm done with that, another video, I'm gonna change the fluid out in these front hubs. With the fluid, I don't know what you call it. Man, dry fluid. And then I was gonna change the transmission fluid. I don't know, did that bottle here somewhere. But for this video, I'm gonna bleed the brakes. So I have brakes, just they could be a little stiffer. So I'll take this cover off next. I did have to do something. This screw is pretty tight, so I've got this Craftsman. Show you the part number. I got it off of Amazon. Looks like it's CMMT14104. Works awesome. You just set it on there, hit it with your hammer, make sure you have it going left to loosen, right to tighty. It says it on here. Somewhere, yep. So that one says R. Assume there's a L here left. That works out awesome. So I'll get that cover off. We'll get started. All right, so the cap's off. That little diaphragm bladerish thing on it. I'll show you what that looks like if I can get it off. Anyways, it's kind of spongy. And now, instead of doing that front one over there I started with, I'm gonna start with the back one. Lead that guy. I go from the back to front. So here's the rear bleeder valve. You see on the other ones that there's two, front and a back brake, but I don't have a foot pedal. So there's just the rear brake here. It's an engine brake, looks like. So there's the fill for the transmission fluid. Get that free. It's kind of odd. Most of them have a dipstick. This one has a socket, but it has a dipstick on the side. Anyways, so I plan to put some PV blaster on these prior to doing this because I don't think they've been done in a long time. And working free. Looks like it's a 1/4 inch. Quarter inch. And 1/4 inch on there. That off camera, I'll bust it. Not doing it right. But I plan on putting a bungee cord up there to that handle to pull it tight. More than likely it's gonna spin. And that'll be, since I don't have somebody here to help me pull these brake levers, that's what I plan on doing. So I'll get that one free, start getting things set up. Well, that's what I did for now. Bungee cord on there. All right, so let's get this bleeder screw going. Get that here. check the level. That's good. And I'll just release this and squeeze it again. Crack that, close it again. I'll continue that process back and forth until that gets lower and I have more fluid. Explain what I'm using here. .3 brake fluid. So it's going in there as that gets lower. Fill it. Just keep doing it until get that line clear. Well, after going back and forth about, I don't know, 6-8 times, breaking that one, and then did that one, did the back one first, then did that one, and there's no bleeder screw on this one, but I got enough pressure now. I've got brakes again, it's hard to pull. I guess if you had to do this one, you can put some PV blaster on this one just in case. But you can loosen this up, be a little more tricky to bleed it. I suppose I would loosen this up, let it drain. Pull the brake lever back, fill it up, and then tighten it back up. And try doing that a few times. So back that one up. Back that one off, tighten the handle, fill it up, tighten that back up, let the lever loose, see how it looks, and repeat that if you need to get a little tighter. But for me, for right now, that's pretty good. So that's all for this segment of the brakes. I should have good brakes on this now. I'll continue on the next video. Watch part 2 where I change the diff fluid, or whatever you call that, the main drive fluid in the front.